Are you tired of working in the intense cold and losing preheat on your critical processes? Are you frustrated due to rain causing delays in projects? Don't worry. Introducing the Rapid Fab Pipeline Crawler by HexHut, the solution to your outdoor construction problems. HexHut, the durable shelter provider, has been an industry leader for more than 2 decades. Now introducing its latest product, the Rapid Fab Pipeline Crawler. The Rapid Fab Pipeline Crawler is a game changer when it comes to pipeline shelters. It moves with you, increasing productivity and speed for your cross-country small to mid-size pipeline processes. Its purpose-built design lets you continue your work without any delay due to the outside environment. No matter what weather conditions outside, you can simply continue working and meet your deadlines. Contact us at 403-293-7333 or info@hex-hut.com for more information. Say goodbye to delays due to weather and hello to 100% coverage on your critical pipeline processes with no time lost. Get the Rapid Fab Pipeline Crawler now. HexHut, sheltering your success in any weather. We've got you covered.